Assalamu alaikum. This is Ubaid Qureshi. This is HP Pavilion laptop 15T-EG000. I am going to install Windows 10. When we install it, there is a hard disk option. It is displaying a message. We could not find any drivers. To get a storage driver, click load driver. So, what is the issue? There is a controller, Intel RST VMD controller. So I have downloaded it from Intel's website. Okay, so there are a lot of, this is RS setup and non-Intel, and I have download this one for Intel vmd.zip, and I have copied it to USB, and now I am going to load the driver. Okay, browse. This is Intel VMD. It is showing two things here. One is controller 9A0B and another one is manage controller 09AB. But if you look at the path and the file, the both are same. I'm going to select the first one. Next. So it is checking. Yes, here it is, and now we are able to install Windows in it. And now I'm selecting this one for the installation. Next, and installation is start. Thank you.